Are your YouTube dreams collecting dust while others seem to effortlessly conquer the platform? It's an all-too-common tale. Hours of content creation, yet the views are low, the engagement is scarce, and growth is crawling at a snail's pace. You're not alone. Many aspiring YouTubers have faced these very challenges. But what if there was a magic wand that could turn things around? What if there was a way to not just survive on YouTube, but thrive? Enter Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr, your secret weapon to YouTube success. This course is the brainchild of Matt Parr, a 9-time YouTube Gold Play Button recipient. It's an all-inclusive guide, meticulously designed to help you navigate the labyrinth of YouTube and emerge victorious. This course doesn't just teach you how to create a channel, it transforms your entire approach to YouTube. It guides you on how to find profitable niches, create engaging content, and master the art of monetization. You'll learn insider tips and tricks that will catapult you ahead of the competition. This course isn't just a guide, it's a game changer. So what does Tube Mastery and Monetization entail, you ask? Well, let's embark on this journey together. Picture this as a roadmap to success, laid out in clear, easy-to-follow steps. We start with the basics, finding the perfect niche. Not just any niche, but one that resonates with your passion and has the potential to draw in a captivated audience. Then, we dive headfirst into the art of content creation. This isn't about churning out video after video. Instead, it's about optimizing your content for maximum engagement. You'll learn how to hook your viewers from the get-go, keep them riveted throughout, and leave them eagerly anticipating your next upload. But what's a good video without visibility, right? This course will guide you through the labyrinth of YouTube's algorithm, helping you understand how to make your videos stand out amid the sea of content. And now, the piece de resistance, monetization. Matt Parr doesn't just teach you how to make videos, he teaches you how to make money from them. He shares his tried and tested strategies, divulging the secrets that have made him a YouTube sensation. With Matt Parr's strategies at your fingertips, you're not just learning, you're evolving. But the question remains, why should you choose Tube Mastery and Monetization? Well, let's delve into the benefits. This course is like a roadmap to YouTube success, meticulously designed to guide you every step of the way. From brainstorming your channel concept, to optimizing your videos for maximum visibility, to effectively monetizing your content, it's all here in one comprehensive package. Moreover, you're not just signing up for a course, but joining a vibrant community of like-minded YouTubers. This network of creators will be your sounding board, your motivators, and your collaborators, helping you navigate the YouTube landscape with confidence and creativity. But perhaps the most compelling benefit is the potential for significant revenue growth. Imagine turning your passion into a profitable venture, all while creating content that resonates with people across the globe. That's the power of Tube Mastery and Monetization. With Tube Mastery and Monetization, you're not only investing in a course, you're investing in your YouTube future. So are you ready to transform your YouTube journey? It's time to take that leap, to step into the realm of endless possibilities. Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr is your guide, your map into the world of YouTube success. It's sitting there waiting for you in the video description. Click the link, learn more, sign up, and start your journey today. Don't just dream of YouTube success, achieve it with Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr.